In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the frustrating issue of having no sound in Google Chrome. Whether you're trying to watch your favorite videos or listen to music and suddenly find you're getting silence instead of sound, don't worry, I've got you covered. We'll walk through each step together so you can get your audio back on track in no time. First, let's start by making sure that the problem isn't with the website itself. It might sound simple, but sometimes the issue isn't on your end. Try visiting another site like YouTube or any music streaming service to check if the sound works there. If you find everything is fine on those sites, the problem might be specific to just one website, and you might want to check their specific settings or forums for help. If you've confirmed that the sound issue is happening across multiple sites, don't worry, just follow along. Let's check the volume settings on your computer to ensure nothing is muted. On Windows, you can do this by clicking on the speaker icon in the bottom right corner of your screen and making sure the volume is turned up. On a Mac, you find this in the top right corner near the clock. Sometimes, the simplest solutions are the ones we overlook, so it's best to rule this out first. Next, let's look into the Chrome settings. Open Google Chrome and click on the three vertical dots in the upper right corner, which will open a menu. From there, click on Settings. Scroll down until you see Privacy and Security and click on Site Settings. This is where you'll find all the options related to what sites can do with sound. You'll want to scroll further down until you see Sound. Ensure that the option Allow Sites to Play Sound Recommended is toggled on. This setting is crucial for allowing audio through Chrome without any hitches. Now let's look into extensions. Go back to Chrome, click on those three dots again, and select More Tools, then Extensions. Disable any unnecessary extensions that might interfere with sound, particularly those related to content filtering or privacy that could be blocking audio inadvertently. After you've gone through your extensions, try to refresh the page and see if the sound is restored. If everything else fails, the last step would be to update Chrome. Keeping your browser up to date is important not only for sound, but also for security and performance. Again, click on the three dots, go to Help, and then About Google Chrome. Chrome will automatically check for updates and install them if any are available. Once updated, restart your browser and check the sound again. By now, you should have solved the issue of no sound in Google Chrome. Remember these steps next time, and you'll be back to enjoying your online content with the sound on in no time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like,